Hi guys, I'm Chef Mollie or Farmer Mollie here at my farm talking about our Valentine's Day farm to table dinner and the different ingredients that we have. I'm wearing my farmer hat and my chef coat because we're doing both. We're looking at the ingredients that are going into the meal that we are growing here on the farm. So let's go check it out and see where these ingredients are and how they grow on the farm and how they'll end up on your plate. Our Valentine's Day meal is coming with a cocktail, and it's going to be a Guava Margarita. It's going to have limes from the farm and guavas from the farm, a beautiful organic agave and organic tequila, and you can see these beautiful trees growing behind me. The guavas are ripening. Let's have an awesome Valentine's Day cocktail, Guava Margarita with guavas from the farm. And I might just snack on one right now. Here we have beautiful cauliflower and fennel growing together. The fennel is actually protecting the cauliflower. It's called an insectary when you plant two plants together. One is the insectary and one is the primary crop. But in this case, both of these crops are going to be used in our beautiful Valentine's Day farm to table meal. The cauliflower will be in the cauliflower piccata steak, and the fennel is going to be in the salad. So please come and enjoy Valentine's Day with us and enjoy all this deliciousness. We're having this beautiful fennel and grapefruit and mint salad. And this are beautiful cluster of grapefruits here growing on the farm. These trees are pretty young. It's only a couple years old, and look at these huge grapefruits, and they will be in your Valentine's Day salad, farm fresh to you, directly from the farm to the restaurants. The appetizer for our farm to table meal for Valentine's Day is fried fava beans. And these are fava beans growing. And you can even eat the leaves of the fava beans. They have a very buttery taste, but we're gonna be frying up the fava beans themselves, serving them as the appetizer. Fava beans are an amazing source of fiber and protein, but on top of that, they give back nitrogen to the soil. So there's something that you can totally feel great about eating because you know you're doing the best for your body and you're doing the best for the environment. And they come in different sizes. You can see here, these are the smaller ones and these are the larger ones. We're gonna be frying up the larger fava beans for the Valentine's Day meal. Delicious farm to table ingredients coming right to your table at Sage or your table at home if you order to go. We're gonna have a mixed berry cobbler, berries coming from our beautiful berry patch here on Engelhart Farm. And it will be a delicious cobbler with a scoop of vanilla Kind Kreme on top. Thank you for joining us for this ingredient tour, and I hope you come and enjoy your Valentine's Day with us. And even if your schedule doesn't permit, know that you're always getting farm fresh produce from the farm when you're eating at Sage Vegan Bistro. I hope you celebrate your Valentine's Day with us.